What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. I was not planning on starting today's video in, well, sitting here in the daily, but I'm literally sitting outside of a pharmacy right now because I'm waiting to take my booster shot. I didn't know that they had a lunch break. So now I'm waiting for them to get off of lunch break, and I figured we might as well just start the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, if this is your guys' first time, I'm Lance. I'm from Hawaii. I make automotive content here in Hawaii, so consider subscribing. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button as well. And yeah, I'm about to go and get my booster shot, and then we're gonna go and head to our boy Luke. He asked me to help him install a pretty cool part on his S2000, so we're gonna be doing that. I believe it's a Voltex carbon fiber wing. So I went ahead, I made sure he had everything. So primarily it's like a simple install. You need pretty much painter's tape, Sharpie, good drill bits, and wrench. That's it. And actually I also went ahead and dug, where is it? If you guys been watching the channel from the very beginning, if you guys remember what this is a unibit, and basically, or a Christmas tree bit, as some people call it. But this will primarily help you to creating nice holes. So we use this quite often. We use this on the wide body install. We use this on cutting the carbon fiber. The first time we used it was with the carbon fiber, and this is very, very useful because it helps create perfect holes instead of just using a regular drill bit where it's just gonna keep shredding whatever material you're gonna be drilling. But using the unibit makes very, very nice holes. And of course, we're working with carbon fiber today, and we're working with an S2K, which, you know, parts for an S2K is pretty expensive. So I'm gonna go in, get my booster because I need it for work, and then I'll see you guys at our boy Luke's house. All right, back at Luke's house. We already got all this uninstalled. The stock OEM one is super simple. Simple, just like the GTR. You got the control unit for opening and closing, or opening a trunk. And then you got your lines here, 210s here, 210s there, and 210s here. And then, say what's up to brother Ian over here.
What's up?
We got a new, I didn't know that we were gonna put a trunk too, but we got a new Cybon trunk for the S2K. Damn, this thing looks sexy, bro.
Nice color.
Reminds me of doing the wide body, but we're gonna go and get this on real quick, and then we're gonna move on to the big wing. And just like that, carbon trunk is on. Luke went to get his keys before we shut this close, but very simple. 210s, 210s, 210s up there. Got trunk access cable already plugged in, and then we're gonna have the third brake light put right here. But here's the first test.
Is it because of this?
Oh, that's why. We gotta line that too. We gotta line the teeth up. All right. Closes. Now we gotta figure out the gapping issues on this side. Just the right side, yeah?
This is not bad. Right?
Yeah, that side's nice. This side, kind of problematic. But for the most part, it was just this front corner was giving us problems, so we had to adjust and undo and readjust, but we had to pull it a little bit forward, but we finally got that covered. Now it's just third brake light, and then the big wang. Woo, look at that carbon. Damn, boy. Oh, it's like Christmas. So we got the wing. We got the arms right here. And then we got the base plate.
These are the sides.
Oh, that's the side?
Yeah.
Where's the base plates?
Oh, right here.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, these little things carrying such a big plate, or just such a big wing for a small plate like this.
Yeah, you need some time to shine too.
Yeah. Just like this one.
Oh, it's already recording.
Has it been recording this whole time?
Yeah, 11 minutes.
Might have caught me saying stupid things.
Damn, that thing is beautiful.
Lucas, flex for the camera. Flex for the mamacitas.
All right, did our dry testing. Got our whole set. And now the fun part. Just go straight from the top down. Yeah. top. So as soon as you brake, just pull it. Alright guys, it's been about a couple days since we did the install because I had to go to work and I actually was running late. But we're back and Luke finished bolting up everything. Bro, this thing looks freaking amazing, dude. Like, so crazy. And the best part about it, that even though these big wings seem intimidating, the install is a lot easier than you think. Everything is just strictly just 10 mils with Allen heads. And the cool thing about it too is that you can adjust the height, or you can adjust the angle of which the wing sits. So if you want extra downforce, like, you can get all the downforce you want. But this thing looks super freaking nice. Damn, and I love the weave of the carbon too. Damn, boy, you did a good job on this. Luke's gonna start it up real quick and take it out into the sun. Dude, that just adds so much more flavor to this car, man. Look at that. Damn, bro. Look at that. Oh, almost scraped. That's so sick. Oh my gosh, bro. Man, dude. You killed it, man. That's super dope.
It's like the best wing for the STK, hands down.
Yeah, best wing. I'm just still tripping out that literally the plates for these things are so small, because of mine for the APR wing, like, it's a whole huge plate, but this thing is literally just riding on 4 bolts, and this plate is plastic, bro.
Yeah, so that's why, like, people put like supporters inside the trunk, because these create so much downforce that, like, especially if you have a stock trunk, the thing is angled like this, it just bends the trunk. So I mean, this is just a carbon one that I don't really care about, so I don't really care if it bends.
And now we got the third brake light on too.
Super
Could
easy.
do minor adjustment with the carbon trunk, but overall this thing just looks freaking sick, man. I think we'll do a quick cinematic in 3, 2, 1. Yup, that's the look, bro.
That's the one.
That's the freaking shot right there. Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. So simple, but at the same time, like, there's so much going on, man. Big meaty setup, big wing in this small little compact car, and this thing is boosted. And now that we got a matching carbon trunk and the carbon wing with carbon interior, bruh, clean, absolutely clean, bro. Sheesh. Well, I guess to end this video, for those of you guys that have a S2K and you guys want a big wing, don't hesitate to buy it. Just buy it because it just looks freaking sick.
Also, the wait time is 18 months. So
yeah, see? 18 months. By the time you should have enough money saved up just to, you know, just to pay this thing off. But the fact that this thing is so easy, I don't want to say like super easy to install, but I mean, if you have good eyesight and a steady hand, you know how to turn a wrench, that's all you pretty much need. Oh, I was putting on the
I messed up on that side.
Oh, you did? Where?
I was using tape,
yeah.
To mark it, but then I put it on the wrong side of the tape, and then like, I realized it after I put like the V was already stuck on here, and I realized it. I was like, oh no! I tried to take it off, and it was already on there.
Oh, so you had to commit.
So I just slapped it on there. So it's a little. Where's the back? Like this side is straight, like right in the middle.
Oh, because you translated this onto that side.
So like, because I measured here and here, and I put like 2 pieces of tape here, but I just put it too far this way, and I lined it up with this edge rather than that edge on the tape. And it was too late to take it off. It's like,
yeah. That's okay. You can always get replacement stickers. Okay, how much do the stickers cost in comparison to Volk wheels? Because I know Volk wheels have like, what, $50 for just for Volk wheels?
If you buy them in the US, they're $80 just for these stickers.
Oh, $80? Oh my gosh.
But if you buy them in Japan, they're like 50. So I
okay.
shipped it from Japan because it's cheaper to pay shipping.
Yeah.
But Voltex, shoot, I feel like I don't even know. I feel like it might be.
They charge you a good penny too, yeah.
But I know you can probably get custom ones too.
Oh, guarantee.
Yeah, probably cheaper, and then you can make them whatever color you want.
Yeah.
But I like the original.
Yeah, no, it's super nice. Well, I'm gonna tag Luke's Instagram somewhere down here just to follow this build. This guy, hopefully, fingers crossed, he has another project on the way, but that's gonna be until, I don't know, a couple, not a couple, probably end of the year, yeah? Yeah, so it'll be about end of the year, but be on the lookout. We'll see the progression of this car, and maybe we might send this car, or we actually are gonna be sending this car to Hot Import Nights too. So for all you guys watching from Hawaii, you guys are gonna see this build. And that being said, this vlog is over, and I'm out.